Got a big fish. Big fish. Big fish. 3, 2, 1, action. Good morning, everyone. We do some trout fishing in the rain. All right, good morning. Here we go. Shotgun shell on the ground. Let's go. I'm gonna start here, even though like everybody starts here. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Board down. And you know what I'm thinking? I think I'm gonna start floating some. See where that gets us. Oh, come on. Get out of there. Okay. Let me get a couple casts in with this, and then I will peace out if necessary. And here I want to throw it behind this rock and bring it to me. Or like over there. There's seaweed over there. That's where I'm picking it up at. I'm gonna try just right behind that rock. See what I get. Trying to get under there. I remember there being some rocks there. Oh, that was 100% a fish. Get it back over there. That was not where I wanted it. That's what we want to feel. That was not a fish. That's a fish. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm hopefully gonna, there he is. Okay, okay. No! 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 That was a nice one. Oh! Come on, let's get it. Let's go. Oh man, I know I set that too. Oh, that pissed me off. Ah, come on. Oh, that's the spot. Let's go. All right, got a big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, that was my chance. Ugh, it's too big in the net. I can't get in the net. Come on. Come on, Terry, tire yourself out. You did good. That's a good fight. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Oh my God, that's a big fish. Oh baby. Oh baby, that's a big trout. That might be my best trout ever. That's, oh my God, that's wow. That's definitely my best trout ever. Oh my God. Couldn't have come at a better time. Where's the, I know. I think I know where it is. I'm sorry. I know. I am recording, right? I am recording. Okay, I am recording. Okay. We're okay. We're okay. I'm getting this open right now. And I'm putting my phone right here. I don't... But... oh God. Camera, just take a picture of the fish. Okay. 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 I'm gonna... oh man, I got you. All right, yep. Okay. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna work on you. Okay. I'm gonna try to... oh my God. That's my best trout ever, for sure. We're looking at... take the damn picture, Bill. Oh no, you are staying there, buddy. Get closer. Okay, I got my picture. I got my trout. My phone will have to be washed profusely. All right, I would love to put you back. Okay, here we go. We're okay. I'm gonna try to get that out of you, but we need to recuperate first, I think. Yeah? Let's take some nice deep breaths. We're breathing a little. Okay, we're breathing. We're okay. We're gonna get this fish back in. That's the goal. We're taking big gulps. That's great. That is terrific. Okay. We're taking big gulps. This fish is too big for my net. What we got here, huh? Did you pass it? I think you passed it. I don't want to get hooked to you forever, but I don't see it anymore, so I think you're okay. Okay, we're okay. We're gonna put this buddy back. We're still a little bit... let's go, we're going over here. We're getting this fish back in, that's the goal. That's the goal. Here we go. Looks like you've been eating something. All right. Are we good? Are you good? You good, buddy? We're just taking a minute. We're okay. Come on, get going. We're good. I didn't see the hook in his mouth, so he'll be able to eat. But he definitely took that hook deep. Giggity. Oh my God, what a fish. That was my biggest trout ever. That was awesome. And oh, there he is right there. I don't know if you can see him or not. He's right here. We're swimming into deeper waters. Oh, that's another one. Got another one. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And then I get this. I get this. You are the fattest little trout I think I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh my goodness. You are teeny. Ugh. Oh my goodness, you are teeny. You are so small, but it's okay. You might grow up one day to be a big trout. got the hook. Let's just check him on the thing. Not gonna help me. We'll return him back to get bigger. Oh man, I might have to WD-40 a lot of this. Nice little mama goose on her nest. I know what you guys are gonna say. You got your shirt off. I know, I'm sorry. I'm drenched. And I wasn't getting in my truck like that, but this video needs an end. And I thought, why not? Today I caught the biggest trout I think I've ever caught. Very excited. This is probably gonna be a video, right? So I've had a lot of video recording, but not a lot of videos because I suck at trout fishing. And I acknowledge that. But, aw, they got father and son down there fishing. Love it. Give them a toot toot. But yeah, really excited. We want to, there we go. We want to put those fish back for other people to catch. So I did. I got that fish back in the water. I healed her up. That way somebody else is going to go and catch that fish, and that might be somebody else's piece.